my goodness, I ate a lot. There's so many food, no? So many food. My tongue is aching. Too much seafoods and roast beef. I ate and lots of fruits. It's a good thing there's a lot of fruits and vegetables. I ate a lot. Oh my gosh. Unbelievably good. I like this place now. One of my favorites. So good. There's Japanese food, Chinese food, American, European. Except shawarma and biryani. Kapsa, akal. No Mediterranean food. I love Mediterranean food. I'm just trying to cool down my... Yes, please. We need to milk it while I bleed me. Out of the moonlit floor, lift your up and hand. Strike at the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. My God. Kiss me. Oh my gosh. I can't breathe. I hope I can, go home early so that I can still attend Zumba later. Pagod na yung mata. Pagod na yung mata niya. Ay, natok na yun. Ang daming kinain. We have my pamangkin Nala is already tired. She's so cute. She's a doll. Natatawa mo yun sa... Out on the moonlit floor, lift your up and hand. Strike out the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Soon you will kiss me.